Today, we're gonna be using Aunt Jemima's buttermilk pancake and waffle recipe. There's a waffle. Okay, so what we're gonna need first is 2 cups of Aunt Jemima mix. One and a half cups of water and 1/3 of a cup of oil. I can read, guys. Wow, can you believe it? 2 cups of Aunt Jemima mix. Alright, then, after the 2 cups of Aunt Jemima mix, we need 1.5 cups of water. Amazing! 1/3 of a cup of oil. It's slippery, I feel like I'm gonna... Do you hear that? 1/3 of a cup of oil? That's a lot of oil, I just realized. God, that's a lot of oil. That doesn't look right. Yeah, I'm following Aunt Jemima. Okay, I gotta mix this. I don't know what to mix with. I'll use my brain power. Just kidding, I don't have any of that one. This was a bad utensil choice, whatever, I don't care. Not the first time I've made a bad choice. No, that's like my entire life. I did goodly for once. Pure rage. So now we wait until it's ready and stuff. That means it's finished, guys. Wow. Amazing! 4 cups into the waffling iron. So after you mixed up your batter and let it sit for 4 to 5 minutes, so when do I stop? Does it just yell at me when it needs to stop? So while you're waiting for, you know, waffle, you go into your oven and you turn it up to, what do you do? 200 degrees, and you put a plate in there. So then once you're done with the waffles, you can put the... I feel like it's gone too long. You're wrong. We don't talk about this. This is not... It didn't happen. No, it didn't happen. This didn't happen at all. Let's see. Nope. Okay, gamers. Now it's time for the waffle. That, kiddos, is how you make a waffle. When pizza roll done. Oh yeah! It's kinda. Time to try the cup. Oh no. Oh, he's big. Oh boy. No! We should have used butter. Ah! I ate puke. Love you. Will always love you. I don't have morals. Poop, pee, poop, pee. Reese's Puff. Peanut butter chocolate flavor. I ain't know. Reese's Puff. Beat 'em up. Reese's Puff. Peanut butter chocolate flavor.